Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP archives on OPPO A57s. And to do this we'll need to open our RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now navigate to the folder that contains your files, select the file, click on the arrow pointing up button, you'll enter extraction options. You can change any options right here, but it's not necessary to unpack the simple RAR file without any further settings. We can go for the browse to change the designation, and that's the most prominent feature, I guess. So let's navigate and unpack it right here. Click on OK, then OK again, and your files should be unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.